Our company works hard to provide top quality service to our clients, so it's always exciting when we receive a positive review. We're pleased to share this 5-star rating with you. And it's obvious that reviews like this always make us smile, but it also serves as a reminder to us that it's imperative to provide the best service possible to our customers. We believe that our future success comes from the way we treat our customers today. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value all customers, new and old, and treat them equally with great customer service. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen, and we look forward to doing business with you.